Hello beautiful world, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess Katie and today I'm going to be doing my eye makeup with you. I have my Urban Decay Electric Palette. Let's face it, it's the only palette I own. I like bright colors. And I'm trying to entice spring today, trying to bring spring to us. It is mid-March and I am ready for the nice weather. I am wearing a beautiful green dress and I want spring to come now. So these are all the colors in the palette and I am kind of feeling this blue, this green, and I don't know, maybe even this color. I'm feeling like blue skies, fresh green leaves growing, and some beautiful flowers sprouting up. So let's see how we do with these colors. In one of the last videos that I did a blue lid and then I did green at the top. I'm going to try to switch it up now. I'm going to do green on my lid. I'm going in with the color Freak. And this green color is representing the beautiful new leaves and foliage that will be growing. I'm so excited to get back into my garden. I love gardening. And springtime is all about the cold weather going away and all the beautiful flowers coming out to play. I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Okay, so I went and I did the green, and now this beautiful purple color called Jilted. I think I'm gonna go, no, maybe I should do blue next, green to blue. I'm trying to think how colors go. I'm trying to think how my colors go. And I've been using the phone as my mirror. Maybe it looks weird, I don't know. It's only my second makeup video. Not a huge makeup pro. In fact, I almost never do makeup anymore. Okay, totally have to try that again. Said the iPhone had too much things in storage. I have deleted all my videos, everything, still set it. Turn the phone off, turn it back on, now we're good. So, where was I? I was applying the Gonzo to my mid lid and I'm kind of using the phone as my mirror. I don't know if that's a weird thing to do. I'm probably like looking, I'm not looking at you, I'm looking through you. Sorry. I also have a mirror, I could use the mirror, but I feel like I'm on a roll with the iPhone. Oops. I could just smear it out. Probably could do a little more on this other side. I love all these colors. They're so bright. They're very springy. And now I'm going to go in with this beautiful light purple color called Jilted. I'm going to use like the fatter side of the brush now. See what that does. I kind of just like roll it in and tap a little off. Kind of just like blending. So I have a ferret, but he's not in my room right now and I hear things moving. Just like a common thing these days. Okay. And the other side, kind of want to do the same thing I did. And just kind of work it up. I like it. And then I go out of focus. So the next I'm gonna do is add some beautiful silver. I love the silver color. It's actually the one I'm running out of the most. I use it the most. I use it every time I put makeup. I do the silver. I'm not gonna go so high up into my eyebrows as the last time. Just about there. Maybe a little more silver on this side. Alright. Just gonna go in with a little bit of black eyeliner. Using the mirror. I have a mirror below me, but I was using the iPhone most of the time. Alright, and this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching.